tomorrow I have to start from scratch, no team, no revenue, no office, no brand, I'm still confident that I can make 100 crore brand again. And no, it's not confidence, it's clarity. Because now I understand what it actually takes to build big businesses and what is just noise. Hi, my name is Sarita. I'm the co-founder director Orange Star Logistics and we are into international shipping. Today I'll tell you what exactly I would do step by step. When we started our business, we thought that growth means more client, more revenue, more team, but scaling teaches you something brutal. It's not the revenue, it's the structure that makes your business big. So if I have to restart in 2026, I will not repeat my earlier mistakes. And here is exactly what I would do differently. Pillar number 1, skill is greater than capital. First thing, I would not raise money. I would build a high income skill because money doesn't build business, skill builds the businesses. If you can sell, negotiate, close, build relationships, you can survive anywhere. Many founders chase funding before mastering the sales. It's a big mistake. If I can sell, I can generate cash. And I can generate cash, then I can control the growth. And if I can control the growth, I can control the pressure. So skill gives confidence and capital gives stress if you are not ready then. Pillar number 2, sales and branding. Second thing I would do, I'll work on logo, I'll work on website, and I will ensure that I'm not going to spend on any expensive office, but I will mostly focus on sales conversations. In the beginning, sales and branding both matters. So we cannot delay the selling and we cannot delay the branding as well. And I would be focusing on daily sales calls, daily follow-ups, daily meetings, because volume in conversation will create the clarity and this will create momentum. Pillar number 3, cash flow discipline. This is very critical. The cash flow discipline has to be in the company from day one. Cash in bank matters a lot. And if I have cash in bank, then I celebrate a lot. And I focus a lot on profit along with revenue as well because cash is survival. If I start again, then I would avoid long credit cycles. I will avoid low margin clients. I would avoid emotional pricing because growth without cash discipline is self-destruction. And when you try to scale, your weak cash flow discipline will expose badly. So this time, profit first and expansion later. Pillar number 4, systems as early as possible. Earlier I thought that system बाद में बना लेंगे, but it was the biggest mistake. If I have to start again, then the SOPs will be from the day one. We have to ensure that each and every step of the task is written because if the SOPs are not there, system is not there, then the founder becomes the system. Everybody disturbs the founders for a small task, and that's where the bottleneck for the growth comes in. So I would document everything: sales processes, follow-up processes, client onboarding, employee onboarding, escalation handlings, because structure gives clarity and without structure, growth becomes chaos. Pillar number 5, personal brand. And this is very powerful. I would build my personal brand from day one because if nobody knows you, then you don't exist. And we started personal branding in Orange Star Logistics after almost 7-8 years of establishing our company. And since the day we have started the personal branding, it has given a lot of visibility in the market. In 2026, the attention is currency. People buy from people. Human to human connection is important, and trust reduces the friction and brand reduces the negotiation. Earlier, I used to thought that it is optional, but now it's no more optional. Personal branding is leverage. And if I have to start again, I would document my journey daily. Not for vanity, but for visibility. And visibility compounds. Because the truth is, business doesn't fail because of the market. Business fails because of founder doesn't evolve. And every stage of growth demands a new version of you. 1 crore mindset cannot build 100 crore mindset. So scaling is not business expansion. Scaling is leadership expansion. So if tomorrow everything resets, then I would not panic. Because now I understand skills, sales, cash flow, system, brand, everything. Because these 5 pillars can build anything. The question is not, can you build 100 crore? The question is, are you building yourself strong enough to handle it? Think in decades, act in days. See you in the next video. So if you like this video, hit the subscribe button.